Hi there, Henry, Julia, and maybe several years from now, when she's old enough to watch this, Elizabeth. I'm a little nervous today because I'm doing my first math class ever, so please be generous. I got inspired to do this YouTube on the concept of pi because, Henry, I heard you did a pi day at school. You did that on March 14th. And the reason that's called Pi Day is March is the third month, so 3, and then the 14th, so it's 3, 1, 4. And Nine sent you a picture of that on Pi Day. And there's the 3.14, and there's it's a Greek letter pi. And if you put that in a mirror, it spells pi, but that's just an accident. There's really no connection between this number pi and a pi, except for one important connection, and that is that pi's are a circle. And pi is all about circles. Here's a picture of a circle. Okay, here's the outside of a circle. The outside of a circle is called the circumference. If you draw a line across a circle, it's called a diameter. The relationship between the diameter and the circumference is always the same. It doesn't matter what size the circle is, it's always the same. There are very few things in life like that. Things change all the time. When I come to see the three of you, you'll look different. You grow up. The seasons, they change. But there are some things, pi is one of them, that will always, always, always be the same. Let me show you how it actually works. So if you have a circle, here I chose a pi. I'll pull this up here. If you have a circle, in this case a real pi, this is the diameter and this is the circumference. If you want to see what the diameter is, you can measure it. You might not be able to see this, but it's 9 inches. So if you think of pi being approximately 3, it's 3 times the 9. 3 times 9, as you might know, is 27. So I attach this string onto this. And this string is...
You have to hold it up.
I will. I'll hold it up. The string is, I don't know if you can see that, but it's 27 inches. I wasn't lucky. It was because of pi that worked. Okay, I've just showed you one case of how to use it. I want to give you some homework. Maybe you might need your parents to help you on this. But the homework is 2 things. I want you to measure the circumference of someone's head in your family. So take a string, put it around someone's head, measure the circumference, and then try to figure out what the diameter is. The diameter will be whatever you find divided by 3, which is pi. Then, a trickier one, I want you to think of the Earth, something really big. The circumference is all the way around it, the diameter is straight through it. I will tell you what the diameter is. It is 8,000 miles. Okay, if you dug a hole through your backyard and kept going until you came out, and I'm not sure where you'd come out, China, if you dug it straight through, it'd take you 8,000 miles. You know the diameter. I want you to figure out what the circumference is. When you have the answer, please let me know. Give me a call. I think you know my phone number. And all I can say is, happy belated Pi Day from Abo and Nine.
Bye-bye.